Hello everybody, welcome back to the iTunes Fanboy. So in this video I'm going to be unboxing my long-awaited Apple Watch Series 7, which finally arrived. So I bought this from Amazon Warehouse. You can tell, and for some reason it still has the wrap. I guess that was taped on, okay. This isn't exactly too great, but as long as the watch works fine, it works fine. As you can tell, this is 45mm aluminum case, Abyss Blue Sport band. And in case you guys want, and it says it includes Apple Watch and USB-C charging cable. And in case you're wondering why I bought an Apple Watch Series 7 in early 2023, I did a whole separate video about that, which I can show you later on, which I can link in this video. So as you can tell right here, now I have the individual box for the band and the watch. Let's go ahead and open up the band first. Okay, at least the band is brand new. That's good. Okay, there we go. Now we got Apple. And we have the instructions to install the band. Oh, medium and /large. I'll just use this band. Part of the small band is missing. Okay, that's sort of fine. Not really. Luckily, I have giant wrists, so big enough wrists to accommodate for this kind of band. For the size band, I should say. And right here, we just have some other documentation. This is a sport band. So let's just put it back in the box. And then right here we've got our actual band with our actual Apple Watch, which right here has a nice picture of the Apple Watch. So let's just get this open. Okay, so now let's open this Apple Watch up. Okay, right here, first up, let's take a look at their Designed by Apple in California packet, which is just basic, boring Apple Watch instructions and whatnot. Right here we have the instructions, which I guess are useful. Then we also have our new USB-C charging cable, which is very helpful. I thought this was braided on the Series 7, but apparently isn't. This is still, or maybe it was, but this is just the aftermarket cable, but this is still very nice to have USB-C. And then right here we have the actual band, or Apple Watch. Which, oh my gosh, this looks so nice in the blue. Oh man. Let's go ahead and turn this on. Okay, this watch isn't turning on, but let's go ahead and put the band on. Let's go ahead and put it on my arm. There we go, and as you can tell now, I'm officially wearing my new Apple Watch Series 7. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. As always, I'm the iTunes Fanboy, and peace out.